Hello friends. Welcome to my unboxing. I don't think I've ever really done an unboxing. Um, I already cut this open here in the front. This actually came to my work on Friday. Uh, the mail person showed up like right when I was getting ready to go home, and I'm like, yes, yes. And then I was like, where's my package? And she's like, oh, well, um, something I don't know about. It's if it's a package, it'll if it's a small package, it'll be coming with your regular mail person. I'm like, well, what are you? And anyway, as you can see, it came in a box. She should have had my package, so I'm a little bitter about that. Salty, as my daughter says. I was a little salty. So she must have gone back to the post office because about 10 minutes after I left work, and the other package came about a half hour or like really close to when I was supposed to be leaving work. So she came like just like 10 minutes or so after I left. She must have gone to the post office and literally gone and picked mine up because I was very salty about it. Anyway, here it is. It's been at my office since Friday, and now I'm going to get to finally open it. So let us I love this paper. I'm sure everybody else says the same things, that they love the paper too. I saved this paper and I saved this tissue paper. I've been hoarding it from all of my different purchases that I've been making. And, you know, the goodies. Ooh, I have a lot of this little one. I guess that's what it's meant to be. Oh, look, she's not sending out the 5-year anniversary one anymore. This is like a seduction thing. It's like saying bye me. I've been having one of these on my mind. I actually have a waypoint in the black, and the blue brown ones are really seducing me. So I'll probably do a tip in with this and be like, she's seducing me to buy this. Okay. My little bird, my little Shakespeare. So I have my order notes here, but let me just off screen. I will go like this. So we don't need to have my information. Oh, yeah, we don't need to have my work on there either. So we can pull up my order notes. I got in here, oh, this is all my Here's all my dashboards. I'm experimenting with dashboards. I haven't ever done that. Not just with Chic Sparrow, with anyone. Also, this is my Nano in Toronto. I'm having a love affair with the Hemingway Toronto. And also my Hemingway Madrid is in here. And here are my order notes. They say LOVE, love, fat rolls, striations, strong dark edge, light center contrast, scars, yes, moles, no. So those were my order notes. This is my first Nano, and I'm a little bit excited. It's like, okay, I like it. Let me see. I mean, it's so, it doesn't, you can't really get a good vibe on this. And I don't have the world's best light. I don't even have close to the world's best lighting. But I have, here's my Bingley that I bought. And here is my, I love this baby. Oh, this is my first classic that I've gotten. So because it's a classic and it doesn't have pockets, I'm like, well, this is a really good excuse for me to go and get myself a little. I went to get a manicure the other day. I have no fingernails. I can't get the string off. So now I have pockets to go with my baby here. I'm very happy. Like I said, you can't, it's like I can see here, but I know that you won't be able to pick up. You can't really see the striations. I'll have to get this baby out inside the light. But I have a little set now. Oh, and I have my passport too. My passport is like where it has my passport in it. But I have a Toronto passport, the Nano. I have this little number to hold my pens, and this will hold my cards. So I could see myself traveling with this. I feel this blue-black makes me feel like the United States passport colors, and so it makes me feel like it's for traveling. And I will probably not wait to travel to use that, but I'm kind of having a thing where I'm using these almost like the way other women would change out their wallets. And yes, I'm still keeping these inside their little things because they're still virgins. I'm doing this one book July thing, and I have not delved into some of that others. So this, let's see. Like I said, I have to see my Toronto in the daylight to really get excited. So this is my A6. It's Madrid, because I had to get it. I'm keeping up the suspense here for you. But this is my current Hemingway Madrid in a wide. This is my magical 1 4/7 book is what I call it, and I love it. I love it. I love on it all the time. I am carrying it with me every day in July, and I am constantly fondling it and just, yeah, doing like that. So this is the little baby. I'm loving Madrid. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you see this? I don't know if this lighting, if you can see the striations in this. Oh my God. Oh my God. She's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Oh. I'm sorry, this is my shadow. This is late at night over here. Okay, well, it's not that late, but it's late. Oh my God, look. She's got little striations. I love fat rolls. I like scars too. I don't know if this color's coming up good, if you can see. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Ooh. I'm gonna resist sometimes I like to go like that and to pull up the fat rolls. But wow, look at this. Oh, it's so lovely. I'm wanting to get, I have been looking, I looked online, I want to get a Stalogy, maybe a Hobonichi. With the Hobonichi, it's predated, and I kind of don't like that. So I'm thinking of going Stalogy and carrying this with me. More of an everyday. Anyway, I figured I wanted to get this just because I'm in love with the Madrid so much, and I saw that it was available, and so I had to get it. Yeah, because I really love the Madrid Hemingway. The Hemingway line is just so me. I love this. I really need to get a Stalogy. I'm probably going to have to order it online. I looked at Kinokuniya, something like that. This is like, listen to me to slaughter the names. Yeah, Kunikunia. Yeah, it's a Japanese bookstore, and they had Stalogies, but they did not have a B6 or A6. They only had, this is an A6. This is A6. They only had A5. But I'm thinking I'm going to get a Stalogy for this. And I may make it my everyday carry, and then my huge mammoth this would stay at home, and I would transfer information into here that's maybe health and nutrition and finances. Finances I'm definitely gonna be taking out and not keeping anymore. Don't you love how I just throw stuff right on top of that new, this is my finances. Finances can stay home. I throw it right on top of there. I'm telling you, I do baby this. Like, this is my idea of babying it. It's like, I'll be at work and I'll take it out and I'll put this down. I'll put it down this way. I put it down this way and then I open it up. But even then, I still managed to get all kinds of dings on this and things rubbing up and stuff. But yeah, I do put the cloth down first. So yeah, this, oh wait, I have more. I have dashboards. This paper, I love this paper. I've been hoarding this paper. I'm gonna have to make projects with it soon. I want to maybe I'm gonna put it in the dashboards. Maybe I'm gonna color it and put it in this. I got all these. I've never had dashboards, so I'm really excited. I've never had dashboards before. Never. I'm a total dashboard virgin. I don't even know how these things. I'm dying to get one. You want to know what's funny is why I want one so bad is because I want to put the little sticker inside. I want to put something in there and then put the sticker. I love the stickers so much that I don't want to actually peel them. I want to use them inside dashboards as decorations from my little sparrow journeys. And so that's like, yeah. And also I think because it helps with these strings to keep them from biting into the soft cover stuff. I feel like if you have this in a dashboard, it'll help it and it won't hurt that so bad. So, and of course, like you can decorate it. So that should be fun, right? So mwah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to love on it. Ooh, yes. Very good. I scored with that. The Hemingway Toronto, I will have to see it in the sunlight to become more excited, but I already know it's going to be beautiful. I just like the blue black. It's just my thing. I like it. I definitely like it. So I may use some of this paper when I wake up at 3 o'clock at night. Like, doesn't that happen to everyone? You wake up at 3 o'clock at night. It's your most creative hour. So I did get these dashboards, and I've never used a dashboard before, but I don't think you have to be a brain surgeon to figure this out. You know, basically you put the sleeves in and you can put decorative stuff in. Oh goodness, maybe you do have to be a brain surgeon. Oh goodness, I'm lacking in the skills. Oh my gosh, this doesn't want to fit in there. I'm like really surprised. Come on baby, get in. Oh, the struggle is real. Huh, there we go. It feels very tight. That doesn't really want to go in. I don't want to pressure it. I don't want to push it. The moleskin is like, oh, well, I wonder if it has anything to do with that kitty cat. No, it doesn't. The moleskin, no bueno. No bueno. Well, we'll see how this goes. I'll have to play around with these and see what things fit in there. I mean, if they don't return, I guess I can always put them in with something else. But yeah, so that was my Hemingway Toronto Nano, my Hemingway Madrid, and my kind of unsuccessful situation with my dashboards. And so that's all I got for now. And you have a wonderful night and happy journaling or creative expressions. And good night.